Hi everyone,
Salamalaikum.
Bonjour and welcome to our channel
Mrs. How To
with Amani, the mom.
and Leah, the daughter.
Okay, so today we are going to show you how to make
Apple cider vinegar toner.
I will list the benefit of ACV in the description below. I hope you enjoy the video. Like it,
Share it and don't forget to subscribe.
So for this recipe you will need a small whip or a spoon, a fennel, small fennel here, some essential oil. So today I've chosen lavender oil for its soothing property and it smells nice. Some tea tree oil for its antiseptic properties, and some jasmin oil again to give a nice smell. Okay, so you will need a glass jar, ideally with a spray, and then you will need some apple cider vinegar with the mother and some water. That's it. Now let's proceed to the recipe.
So we had to put the vinegar into this black pot. But anyways, now you want to pour the vinegar into the jar.
Okay, so we added the vinegar. Okay, so you can see it's half of the bottle. Because apple cider vinegar is quite stingy by itself, you have to dilute it with water, which we are going to do now. And let's use the phone. And that's it. Alright, so we've diluted the vinegar with the water, as you can see. So I added more water here, but usually I use 50-50, so half of apple cider vinegar and half water. Okay, so that would be the ratio. Alright, so now let's add the essential oil. Okay, now we just add the essential oil. So let's add lavender oil. So I've just added 5 drops of lavender oil. Now let's add 5 drops of tea tree oil. That's it. And finally, let's add 5 drops of jasmine oil. Now, all you have to do is shake the bottle, and that's it. This you make apple cider vinegar toner. Bye, and see you next time on the next video. Hope you like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.
Now it's a brand new day. I'd like to put a smile on your face every day. Mom, all grown up now, and it's not too late. I'd like to put a smile on your face every day. And now I finally understand your famous line about a day I'd face in time. Cause now I got a child of mine, and even though I was so bad, I've learned so much from you. Now I'm trying to do it too. Love my kid the way you do. Oh.